Even at a microscopic level, there's a bit of selective dating going on. While we're often taught that fertilization is a frantic race where the fastest sperm wins,
Modern science shows it's actually far more complex than that.
instead of pure speed and chance, the process involves interaction and selection. When sperm enter the reproductive system, they begin a long and challenging journey. These chemical signals act like a GPS signal that only certain sperm are tuned into. While a sperm might be a marathon winner in terms of speed, the egg is looking for something much deeper: genetic compatibility. Actually, the egg doesn't want the best sperm in a general sense. It wants the sperm that best complements its own DNA. Studies suggest this preference may be linked to genetic differences, especially in immune system genes known as MHC.
A sperm reaches the egg. The process becomes a coordinated chemical and mechanical interaction.
As it encounters the zona pellucida, the egg's outer layer, the sperm undergoes the acrosome reaction, releasing enzymes and using strong tail movements to penetrate. However, passing the outer layer does not guarantee fertilization. Final fusion occurs at the egg's membrane and depends on specific molecular binding between the sperm and egg. This selective process is the reason why fertilization is such a miracle of biology. So, if the egg is so picky and the process is so selective, why do things still go wrong? The truth is that while the egg is an incredible gatekeeper, it isn't perfect. It is a biological system, and biological systems have limits.
Actually, the egg can only screen external cues.
So, a sperm might be a strong swimmer and interact correctly with the egg, yet still carry hidden genetic changes or recessive disease genes. Those aren't always detectable at the moment of fertilization, which is why biological selection, while remarkable, isn't foolproof.
Also, sometimes the sperm and egg are both perfectly healthy when they meet, but a glitch happens during the actual merging, or the very first cell divisions.
Evolution doesn't aim for perfect. It aims for good enough to survive. The egg's choice significantly reduces the risk of many problems, but it can't eliminate them entirely. Actually, if the egg were too picky, fertilization might never happen at all.
So remember, you weren't just the fastest. You were chosen.